Have you ever wondered why inverse square laws dominate the universe? As we move away from a light source, it gradually appears dimmer. When the distance doubles, the brightness does not simply decreases by half, but it becomes 4 times weaker. This pattern is not unique to light. It appears throughout the nature. Gravity weakens as objects move farther apart, and electric forces fade in exactly the same way. Although these forces seem very different, they all follow the same underlying rule. This rule is known as inverse square law. To understand why this law appears so often, we need to look beyond the forces themselves. The answer lies in the fact that space has 3 dimensions. When energy leaves the source, it does not travel in a single direction. Instead, it spreads outward in all directions, filling the space around it. As this energy moves farther away, it spreads across a larger area. The total energy remains the same, but it is now shared over more space. In 3 dimensional space, this spreading follows a simple geometric pattern. When the distance doubles, the area over which the energy spreads becomes 4 times larger. Because the same energy is distributed across a larger area, its effect becomes weaker with distance. This is why distant stars appear faint, why gravity weakens between faraway objects, and why electric forces fade as charges move apart. Inverse square laws dominate the universe because space has 3 dimensions. Any influence that spreads evenly through such space must obey this rule. In this way, geometry determines how forces behave, quietly shaping the structure of the universe.